Vin, I'm going to need you to read this headline right now, okay? Please read this headline.
No.
Please.
I saw this floating around. I'm not.
Thai man completely amputates own penis with scissors during cannabis-fueled psychotic episode. What a headline. My God. A cannabis-fueled psychotic episode is not a thing that I was aware happened. This website, I don't know. Courier Mail. I mean, what kind of a website can throw together headline? Whatever. Hold Frank Chung accountable on Twitter. There he is. He says it's a 2-minute read right here.
Great headline, though. I
mean, the headline, I suppose when you have a headline that sounds unbelievable, well, that's typically a good headline. You just hope it is a... Mm-hmm. Well, you don't... Yeah. In this case, you don't hope that it's a real thing because... Yeah. You hope that it's fake because it sounds obviously terrifying. But this does happen from time to time. I remember there was one time that rapper did something similar and then jumped out a window and survived. I don't remember the situation, but you got to scroll down here. Well, I mean, I don't know if there's any more backstory to it. Is that it? You just have a headline? Okay, here we go. The 23-year-old's amputated penis was deemed too dirty and fragile for reconstruction, leaving him with a penile stump and requiring surgery to allow him to urinate. Doctors from Chiang Mai University Department of Emergency Medicine wrote in the Journal of Medical Case Reports. They said that while there had been around 100 cases of male genital self-mutilation from psychiatric disorders or substance-induced psychosis over the past 2 decades, self-amputation of the penis during cannabis-induced psychosis has rarely been reported. Well, here's the thing, man. You get into the Journal of Medical Case Reports, and you're talking about a lot of people over a large number of years.
Read down further.
In this case report, we highlight a psychotic condition induced by recreational cannabis use leading to penile self-amputation. The Thai man who denied any previous self-harm or psychiatric issues had smoked cannabis for 2 years previous and had stopped for 3 months at the time of the incident. After smoking 2 bongs, or about 2 grams of cannabis, he developed an erection without stimulation, felt a severe, persistent, sharp pain in his penis, and reported that his glands looked distorted. Intending to eradicate the pain, he decided to trim several times the completely amputated. Oh.
Did he not feel pain?
He reported awareness throughout the process. Listen, this is a terrifying situation, especially with the fact that we've got to... I mean, it's a very rare occurrence, so keep that in mind. Statistically speaking, there's a lot of people who smoke cannabis and have no issue whatsoever to this extent. But you got to believe that for that industry, this is not the greatest headline. You got to believe that. Just like Spotify's worried about Crosby, Stills, Nash, and Young, the cannabis industry is not looking for stories like this.
Like, I would imagine, like, mushrooms or something that's psychedelic that would probably push you to
a lot of people
this, but cannabis.
A lot of people, they underestimate some potent cannabis.
Or maybe it was laced.
I would assume they do. I would assume they would do a toxicology. And to attempt to figure that out, right?
Oh, man.
Anyway, we got to get off this story. I mean, that's it. It's
this is a bummer.
No, that's it. You move on. You move on.
Just take care, guys.
You move on.